Hello friends, this video is in response to my video titled The Greatest Technique. In the greatest technique to experience a very enriching and fulfilling life, I had mentioned that one needs to access the still and silent state within and be with it. That is the meditation that I had suggested. Many people, after watching that video, asked me how to access that still and silent state within. Now, friends, that is a procedure. It has many dimensions, and it has to be understood profoundly. It may not be easy for me to explain the entire dynamic in a video. But still, I would like you to take a glimpse of what I mean by that still and silent space within, and you can develop over that glimpse as to how to access it. To do that, we will do a very simple exercise. Just close your eyes and listen to my voice. I will ask you a very simple question. You have to ask the same question in your own mind and don't try to give any answer to that question. Just be attentive and see what happens to you after you ask that question. Just be attentive, that's all. Don't try to intellectualize it. Don't try to give any answer on your own. Just be attentive. Okay? Just sit with your eyes closed. Now the question is, from where do my thoughts come from? Just observe what happens. I'll ask you the question again. Just repeat and just be attentive. See what happens. From where do my thoughts come from? Open your eyes. You will experience, or you must have experienced, a thoughtless stillness. Did you? Most of the people do. After we ask this question, what happens is we experience a thoughtless, peaceful, silent stillness. We have transcended the mind. There is no mind, there are no thoughts. Now, what is left? Only the isness, which is called the presence of being. The stillness that you have experienced is of the presence of your being. I'll ask you one more time. Just experience the presence of your being in this stillness. Close your eyes. From where do my thoughts come from? Just close your eyes. You will experience a stillness, a thoughtless state. This is your isness, your presence. Open your eyes. This is what I'm talking about. Accessing this stillness and being aware of the presence of your being, not being aware of any object, not being aware of any expression, any image, any sound, nothing. You don't have to be aware of anything. You have to be aware of awareness itself. That is accessing the stillness within you. And this is not only the greatest meditation, but this is the greatest technique. Because if you access this completeness within, you will start vibrating at completeness. And with the dynamics of resonance, you will tune in to all that which will make you complete, which will make your life complete, very enriching and very fulfilling. It may not sound very simple, and when you try to practice it, you may find it to be very difficult, but don't bother. Just do it for 30 seconds, then increase it to say 40 seconds, 50 seconds, 1 minute. Try to be with that state. Think, thoughts will come. Thoughts will come, thoughts will go. You become the observer of the stillness. Don't get lost with your thoughts. If you can access this, then as I said yesterday, you will enter the field of pure potential, and then miracles will start happening in your life. If you have found this interesting, you can comment, let me know. You can even let me know what did you not experience. Was it difficult for you? Was it easy for you? Could you experience a kind of relief by just being in that stillness for a few seconds? Just write down your comments so that I can elaborate on this in my next video. All the best. Thank you so much.